Peace and love, gorgeous beings. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Naila Maat. So great to be here with you all. Today, I just want to talk about doing a damn thing. Just do it. You might have fear, you might be nervous, you might have self-doubt, but if you have a dream, if you have a goal, if you have a gift or a talent that you want to share with the world, just do it, okay? Move regardless of the fear. Move even with the perceived challenges and obstacles. Move even if you have limiting beliefs. Just move. Move with purpose. Keep your purpose first and foremost in your mind and move with purpose. I believe that is what we are here to do. Move with purpose. We aren't here to just lackadaisically go about our lives or go about our lives unintentionally or unconsciously, but we are meant to wake up, create our lives, because we are the creators of our own lives, our realities, our own experiences, our own world. We are the creators, right? Made in the image of the creator, and we have creative abilities within us as well. So create. I lost my train of thought. Where was I going? The baby's walked out the room. She's upset. Let her come back. Let me think. Come on. But that's what we're here to do. Move with purpose. Create our lives with intention, right? When we just live our life on autopilot and just go about our lives unconsciously, going along with the conditioning that we've been given since our younger years, right? And then living lives that are unfulfilling to us or that we're not happy with, and we may have struggle in our lives, and we think that that's the norm. We think that that's how it's supposed to be. We think that that's what we came on earth to do, right? To struggle, to have strife, to live in lack, to just get by, right? We've been conditioned to believe that that's the norm and that's what life is, right? But intuitively, I know that there is more, and God wants more for us, and we can have more, and we can have all that we want and all that we can imagine for ourselves. Isn't that right, Pumpkin? Isn't that right? Yeah, we can. We can have the lives of our dreams. All we have to do is believe that we can. When we believe that we can, then we take action. We take divine, inspired action. And then we attract more things to us that align with that dream reality. We align with the things that we need to fulfill our purpose and dream, right? So again, the bottom line is to do the damn thing. Just do the damn thing. If it's creating content, getting in front of the camera, playing the camera while you do your life, do it. Right? It don't gotta be perfect. You don't have to be perfect. Nobody is perfect. So, and at the same time, it is all perfect. Everything is just as it should be, and everything will unfold as it should unfold. So even if you don't got it all together now, or you got babies in the background crying, it's okay. It's okay. All is well. And it's all working out for your highest good. All right. Love you bunch. Love you lots. Thanks for watching. If you got something out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, hit the share button, subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content, and I will see you in the next video.